Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel with some great opportunity for you all. The first one is from Google Apprenticeship Program for 27 batch. Application are open across four. The first one is software application development. The second one is digital business market, third for project management, and fourth for data analytics. So for applying for all of these apprenticeship, you can reach out of these four link and go through them by applying for these opportunity, but don't forget to apply before 3 of August because was the last application date. Now the second one is from Deloitte. This opportunity is for graduate engineer for data, AI/ML, and AI engineer Java. It will be a Bangalore location for Deloitte for this particular opening, and it will be an entry level opening. So you can apply for it, but the eligibility will be that BTech 26 pass out student will apply for this particular opportunity. So you can check out and apply for that particular link. Now for the third company will be Cognizant. Hiring for their any role and it will be in Bangalore. The job category will be tech and engineer. Work from office mode will be there for this particular opportunity, and they have not mentioned any pass out year for this particular hiring, but yeah, they have mentioned few qualifications so that you can check for this particular opportunity. Now the fourth one is from Superset. So Cognizant is hiring for their fresher digital work practice service desk role, but it will be a 3-year full-time degree for 25 and 26 graduate student. Last date will be 31st July, so apply before that. 7 days are left for this opportunity, so you can apply and check all the details here by scrolling down. As I have said, that 3-year UG degree will be required for this particular opening, and here is the whole criteria that you should be looking before applying for this. Last hiring is from Anupriya post being made on LinkedIn, so you can check their profile also. It will be an BTech 26 graduate hiring for a Bangalore location, and the role will be your associate data engineer and data scientist. The skills are required has been given here: Python, SQL. If you want to apply for this, you can click here. This is the Google form that will open after clicking on the LinkedIn. Company is V4C AI Bangalore that was hiring for the associate data engineer, data scientist. And this is the whole criteria for the candidate they are looking, and the interview process will be you going to have your three technical round, and final interview will be also technical. The fifth round will be your HR. Fill out all the details. So this is all about today's hiring. I will be coming with a lot of video very soon, so stay tuned till then.